being a first mate, travel agent with Virgin, you get to do that. So we're gonna go tour Branson's Rooftop, which is the Rockstar Suites, and we're gonna go to another kind of suite. So pretty cool. This is a Fab Suite. Here we go. This is the Fab Suite. This is a Rockstar Suite, and this gives you access to Richard's Rooftop, which we will go see in a minute. But this is just the main sitting area, kind of like a family room. Get ready counter, all that. We're gonna walk outside onto the balcony in just a minute. She's in there talking. That's the lady at the future cruise sales desk. This is the bathroom. The shower was big enough to hold, I don't know, 8 people. It had a private toilet and then a huge sink and countertop. One of the biggest ones I've ever seen, even bigger than at my house. The bed is a king size bed. It does not separate like others. And you do have that TV there and that cool picture. This is the balcony I was talking about. It's big enough for a table with 4 chairs. It has 2 loungers, a hammock, and even has a couch outside. Not a bad way to spend the afternoon. And just look at that view right there. I thought this was cool because it's water. It's got a PlayStation 3 and a huge TV. Perfect for entertainment. Okay, now we're gonna take out a view of Richard's Rooftop. So let's walk around, see what we can get, and all that good stuff. So here we are in Richard's Rooftop. We're gonna walk around. This is an outside area. This area is only accessible if you're staying in a Rockstar Suite. The Fab Suite and higher, they're all eligible for this area. Like I said, it's just an outside area with tables and hot tubs everywhere. I believe there's 2 or 3 in this section. They have this holographic film on the windows, as you can see. Looks like a psychedelic party all the time. This area was massive. We did not get to stay out here because we did not have that suite. Like I said, all of them are included. Those cool cabanas and stuff. If you have a suite, you can go in those cabanas. So yeah, as you can see, this area, it's just massive. It just goes away. I can't tell you how busy it was out here because, like I said, we didn't have a suite. So yeah, just a good time. They make it worth the money. Let us know if you've ever stayed in one of these. Very cool. This is like I don't know, it's like the yacht club and stuff like that. See, but you only have access if you stay in a Rockstar Suite or above. So very cool.